Hi friends, welcome to Bella Stitchery. Today I want to show you this fun fancy card I made. It sits up like this and is full of dimension, whimsy, stickers, rhinestones, all that fun stuff, because I believe that a card is never done until it no longer fits in an envelope. And here we are. This is a hefty card. This is from the Bo Bunny Sweet Clementine collection. I found it Tuesday morning. Yes, score, love those prices. I made one fold down part here with a pocket. Gotta love pockets. Then there's a main card that also unfolds on the back side with, you guessed it, more pockets. I made a big pocket down here with some tags. See, cute. And I wanted to give myself some room so that if you want to add a gift card in there or something like that, this could basically be a present along with just a greeting card, just a greeting card. So let me show you the basic construction, if you will, of this card if you want to make one similar to this. It's super easy, but it packs a punch. What you're going to need are 2 pieces of 8.5 by 11 cardstock. Check. Cut each one down to a 5 1/4 inch square card. So that's 5 1/4 by 10.5. Fold it in half. Check, right? Then you're going to take one of those two and fold one side up to the crease line. So you have one card that looks like this and one card that is just a regular square card. Then we're going to just glue these two together like so. Simple, right? If you've seen any of my tutorials about dimensional cards, I love a simple fold that looks more interesting than it is. So you add some glue just to the front of it like so. Just line it up. And then you have your fancy card. Nailed it. Super easy, right? And you can decorate this as much or as little as you want. I believe in you, crafty friends, because you're amazing. And look at that. Beautiful. I mean, so much fun. I had to show it on video because I feel like photos, you just don't see all the hinges and pockets and fun stuff that it does the same as seeing it in real life. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Say hi. Let me know you're watching. And subscribe, ring the bell, check back for more videos, and check it out. Try it out, and let's go make some stuff. Bye.